Khalil with First Round Facilities. All right, got a small, tiny office thing to do today. Going to do just a Encap carpet cleaning, pre-sprayer, workhorse, multi-wash CRB. I'm gonna just use this with the pad driver, small, for my bonnets. Got some Omega-Zyme. Short video today, we're gonna get started. Prime time enzyme. A little spot. Drill. Knock out all the big spots. Don't put that harsh pre-spray all over the carpet. You just stop that. They use an Encap. See. Here. Alright, so plugged in my multi-wash. I already did pre-spray. Use my drill for agitation. As you can see, a lot of the spots are already starting to come up before I even use my CRB. That big spot is pretty much gone. We got a high traffic area here. We're gonna try to get up. A lot of high traffic stuff is dwelling for a while. Pre-spray's been dwelling. Get started. Very small area. Quick job. Adjust the cord here. So I get into that high traffic. Into that high traffic area. Good. That. See, the high traffic that was a problem for this customer is gone. You know? Encap Cleaning. Still gotta get back here yet. Still gotta get back here yet. I'll always mix a little solution in the tank. Just the Encap solution. It almost acts like a rinse. You know? Because you put the pre-spray down. You put that pre-spray down. And you let it dwell. And anybody that cleans knows sometimes you're gonna put, you gotta put a lot down so you don't let it dry out. But it reactivates once you hit it with a little bit of water, a mix, water and spray. But I mean, just this machine alone, just this machine alone. Like I could bonnet it, or I could not. You know what I mean? Like I could choose to bonnet. All right. Or I don't have to. The machine is so good that I'm taking my cord. But you don't really have to. You see how it picked everything up. You could bonnet or you could not. This is encapsulant, so that's gonna break down. I'm gonna get back here in this corner here really quickly. Get this stuff here. And we're almost done. Quick and easy. Quick and easy. This is fabric. Run a vacuum over this again once I'm done. But it's like fabric, see? I pre-vac, but the CRB is pulling stuff up from underneath, the carpet. I'll flip-flop my cord. I'll hit over here. And then we're pretty much out of here, man. That was it. Done bun. Done bun. So anyway, we're done. And as you can see, as you can clearly see, all that soil, high traffic, see that? Gone. all that extra over top. So remember that spot over here? Gone. Gone. You know? Gone. So I mean, people, they love their CRBs. Like, that's cool. You love your CRBs. Me personally, give me the multi-wash any day because, you know, it smells awesome in here. That Bonnet Pro, Megazyme, it did the trick. I just got to put some furniture back. I do this for this guy. He's pretty cool. The front doorway, it's gone. No more crazy soil. You know, I'm gonna hit it with the vacuum again before I go. Pick up any debris that the CRB pulled up. I mean, the multi-wash pulled up, and then I'm out of here, man. I'm gonna say, honestly, I was here for half hour, if that. One room, multi-wash, some pre-spray, a drill, you know? Easy money. Like and subscribe. First Round Facility Solutions. First Round Clean on Instagram. First Round Clean on Facebook. All right, talk to you guys later.